Cubana chief priest now about for over how many years? 6 years. Came back home. He celebrated Christmas in his mansion. No local government. After he went in Java, like I said, ever has another gaga. Obi Cubana celebrate Christmas in Abefa. Ife Igbo ji kamba one Enugu. Emeya echize yokwata uzora. Nke emere recognize na Nob. E-money and Casey was doing Uli Festival. That's one of the biggest festivals I went by. My two face, all the legends, all the legendary musicians, artists, all of them always come to Uli to perform. If only Uli, they have access to Two Face Libya. Or now because of E-money and Casey. Ega spend in an Igbo within this period is over $20 million. I can tell you, if Kubana priest can go to his village and celebrate Christmas, what I know in village. Village interior, but I am be safe. Village of Abun Kaino, you want to go? So now, but I am be safe. Oh yeah, we clan chief watching them. And people host so ball. In Outana, a bubble on your new prefer. Good for you now. What against it? Go to Google or anywhere. There's nowhere. Anna me for now. No tribal. Hello guys, this is Creative Law TV and we're live and direct in Mbise. This is Mbise. If you look at my back, it says Sam Mbakwe International Cargo Airport, Owerri. So here is Mbise. We moved from Enugu to Onitsha, Anambra State. From Onitsha, Anambra State to Owerri. From Owerri to Ngopala. From Ngopala to Mbise. Right? So today, just today, you know, this is New Year. We don't start. We say we don't start. I want to hear nature. So if I get without this, is banger. But then, ask yourself, this journey from Enugu to Anambra, from Anambra to Imo, then Imo from Owerri to Ngopala. The name alone, Ngopala, all those things. So this season alone, like this festive period, is one of the best so far for over the years. Like for some 6-7 years, I went security that this southeast. There's no record of kidnapping, armed robbery, or any bad news. You understand? And VIPs, Igbo people came back. Like more than 20,000 Igbo people came back from abroad. Let's say abroad. They are based like outside the Igbo land. Every this from abroad. Based like Lagos, other places. Yes, this is west, this is south, this is this Obodo Igbo. Do you understand? Carry more than 20,000. Do you understand? Ega spend in an Igbo within this period is over $20 million. I can tell you because we go portions and the overall portions. And other things that is happening like Madina Banco, reunion like get together, friends meeting, family meeting, burial and other things like memel, like end of the year pattern, many things that happen within this this period of 2 weeks or 3 weeks. You understand? Okay. Before no only rotate to anybody now and then the best part of everything is that even the government at that period like it's like a week or 2 weeks to December, the Christmas, right? Governor, I mean the president removed the VIP, like remove police from VIPs. So mostly those people that came home, they don't even have those crowded police officers following them. But say there was no anything like kidnapping. In short, we have to give a shout out to our governors. Enugu State Governor, Anambra State Governor, Imo State Governor, Abia State Governor, Ebonyi State Governor. Let me tell you, I'll give you a shout out, right? Because you people did a lot of you people did what we need to talk about. Without the security approach, how you people manage this festive period, I don't think no dey smooth Christmas anywhere. Na anywhere. Do you understand? But because of how you people manage everything, from Anambra State, I give Professor Soludo, one of the highest shout outs, because Konyas were called for security in Anambra State. Like play. Anambra Joe, you can like up work. I said you can work from up work at 10 midnight. I mean 10 in the night. Obro joke like him I but up work. He will up work across or banye because of moye nezori moya chori zori ime yenwo ndakodo jidegi anti-tout jidegi. You don't even dare think of doing it. All those places another gaga people were passing. So any casualty or any bad news this year was only let's say name accident. Do you understand? That happen anywhere. But obu na say no ndị onongo ma bia eba jide mmadu wee jide onya or na target onya kidnap or onwere mbo happen na the whole southeastern state. Do you understand? Kedu case wee mefa o kwesịrị ka ọ dị etu a ọ kwado mmadụ mme mma ike ya. So this year ga-adị mma ị na-anya focus wee nọrọ. So n'ife dị mma today anyị nọ na Imo State. This is Mbise ka anyị si wee kwuo ka anyị bido ebe anyị kwụsị. Onwe na like ka anyị si wee celebrate this Christmas without issues. That like were normal. Ọ bụrụ na ị like man if ọma dọrọ gị mma. So I wish like na this peacefulness, this calmness, this security because I'm asking security that day to our next year for how many people got bataku upon the 20,000 bata this year 40,000 got bata in Africa. There's no tribe that go home their villages more than Igbo people. If I in a Genesis when I go can we kill at all where in our time we go out to make money to bring home. That is our national anthem. That is our anthem. So in Naya, if like assuming that there was security, like there was no like for 5 years or 6 years we have some insecurities. Maybe everything was just going normal. You understand? You will see how developed, how rapidly Igbo could have been developed. You understand? Because I tell you, the money our people bring home or always bring home in a season, like in the festive period, like make decoration, building material, everything. Whatever you are doing to make a living, you must sell and you get again to do something. Oh, again, where on or where me where's the school. Also, so I can go on December. Or whatever they mean in the whole world. Dollars, like put $1 more. I don't $1. You know that? So I need $1. In this safe and in Kenya was in this safe because the mother can't gaff. In this safe and I gaff and the dollar and I gaff and I echo and then I assemble. What can you see VIP? Cubana chief priest now about a bone for over how many years? 6 years. Came back home. He celebrated Christmas in his mansion. No full local government. After he went in Java, like I said, ever has another gaga. The happiness, like the joy of the village mothers, like in the mayor welcome, don't be uniform and so. We come and celebrate Christmas in Abefa. Ife Igbo ji kamba one n'Enugu emeya echizie ya kwata ụzọra nke emere recognize na Noba Igbo Oba Ezobuko the second amanke na wata na for people dignitaries village interior bata na Mbise be fa na village okwara bunu ka no wata go so na bata na Mbise ke oya obu clan chief nwa Chineme every je host ball in wata na agba ball onye ndu be go to Google or anywhere. There's nowhere. Apart from during time of election, or you campaign na state, maybe in the north or south, northwest, then the northeast, whatever. Like in that some on the Yoruba, on what I'm buying, saying no potato. Everybody, all VIP, all billionaires, decide to go home and bless people. in their villages. So also an Igbo called it. Man, if I do any video today to talk about the security this year. From Governor Anambra State, from Governor Enugu State, from Governor Imo State, Abia State, Ebonyi State, you people did a lot, like you people did well. I give you a shout out. I'm not on coaching, man. I don't know how you people achieve this, but I want this to continue. Do you understand? So that our people will come home. I want to get on stage. Can we go if we tell you what they happen, even a man every blessed day. If we do a video like this, post, so some people begin to tell you, don't do this, don't do this. We begin to get angry because they see something. Man, I tell you, if they are reduced everything at the camp. All your name we met here to assume do you understand? Whatever they did that made this calmness, like brought peace in our home, in our land, in our motherland, in our fatherland, they should continue to do it. Even if it's getting together, have a meeting, and have a plan, have structure to continue this peaceful celebration. So that we will have insecurity. If we people have security this way, in next 10 years, we will grow better and we will develop better, and we will, in short, the international community will know that Nakai Seme, the handles on it. So Nabai need develop more. International community will know that even our people need develop more. The new road, up Christmas, like the new road, that tile, yes. If I know about 2 kilometers of road, 3 kilometers of road, individually, that's single-handed, not government. You now Igbo. If you go to a boy, and the boy Enugu State, if you come to a number of Imo, people are doing it single-handedly. Effort to make sure to help the government. Guy, if you don't praise ourselves, if we don't praise ourselves, who will praise us? In short, this is one of the best Christmas so far I went for over 5 years ago. And then we pray for this. In now and everything I go normal. Ever will be say, and then I walk around and then I sigo. And I if any a gang come. So on what if I want also if them there is no the best way to live life is peace. You understand? Anybody na go onye more so if you look around, you see like our people who have investments outside Igbo land, like Lagos, Port Harcourt, Abuja, and other places, even UK, USA, you can bring your investment home right now because our place is now calm. And you just choose a better location. If it's Enugu, if it's Imo, if it's Abia, choose a place, buy a house, or maybe buy a land and build your industry. So it will be protected. You see, and I have to give another shout out to like Enugu State governor. Do you know, before Christmas, this man practically brought back all our artists home. Everybody from KC to Fino to Jerry Kola Boy and other hosts of even mine dance, and almost all the artists, Igbo musicians, all of them came back. Everybody they choose the Enugu. Everybody they choose the Enugu. Oh, young Amelia, because he invested in entertainment. People are commissioned. Even my commissioner for culture was even saying, "Oh, see, me no neighbors on and I can't carry." Because because of you see, because that is they choose Enugu. It's not because they don't have any other place to go, but because of the Enugu state government may not do consulting for them. That's why he hosted a barrister like conference. About more than all the lawmakers in Nigeria. The conference 2025 was held in Enugu State just because of our government. Do you understand? So, what am I saying? If somebody is doing well, that side on the mouth from Itoya. Their past administration, they don't even think of all those things. It matters a lot. Do you understand? Any host of anywhere, any shop anywhere, and I gather more than 1,000 people. more than 20 million naira will be spent that day, and people will gain a revenue from that crowd. Do you know it? Everything we sell, transportation, any kind, like everything we sell. Check here how many thousands of multitudes of people there are now in Enugu State last year, courtesy of Enugu State governor. So shout out to you also. I believe this year will be more better. Bring your investments home. Just choose a state you like. Come and build. I ain't promote. So, Imoni and Casey was doing Uli Festival. That's one of the biggest festivals I went by. My two friends, all the legends, all the legendary musicians, artists, all of them, always come to Uli to perform. If only Uli, they have access to Two-Face Dibia. Or now because of E-Money and Casey. But because of insecurity, they couldn't continue. This year, last year, I can say last year, they wanted to do it, but I don't know what happened. But I believe they are planning to host the festival this year. This is what we are trying to say. Come back home. If Kubana priest can go to his village and celebrate Christmas, village. So Makande guy in Anwefa, I broke on the governor. So if I want to unu enye unu ma ọkụ isu wefụ ife kune unu mee ka ọ dị etu a na-aghọta nwere ebe ji onye gburu nwanne ya abụrụkwa n'odogwu ama m na-aghọta. So let the security the unity, the calmness continue. If I na-emere unu ji wee cool down ya dị etu afọ ama m na-aghọta. So maka na let the peace reign. This is the best thing I can say. So God bless you people. Share this video. Share this video. It's very important so that it will reach to people that it's supposed to reach. So wait for us. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel this year, because we have a lot to give you people. We have a lot to show you people. Guys, you don't need to miss Creative Law TV this year. Yeah.